I'm going to show you how to factory reset a pair of the Soundcore P30i earbuds. You want to factory reset these if you have any kind of issue pairing or connecting, or maybe one side's working, other side's not working, or it keeps disconnecting, and so on. So I currently do have this paired to my iPhone here, okay? So let me show you how to factory reset these. Now what we need to do is have both buds in there, okay? And then open the case up, take both buds out. And then what you want to do is you want to put these into your ear, and you see where the letter, the logo is on here? You want to tap both at the same time, and you should hear beep beep on both sides, and then keep holding for about 20 seconds until you hear no noise, okay? No sound. We're going to go ahead and do this together. Okay, so here we go, all right? So we're going to open this up. I'm going to take out both of these, and I'm going to put these into my ear. And now I'm going to go ahead and tap on both the logos. Ready, set, go. And I heard a beep, and I keep holding. Don't let go. Hold for about 20 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now let go. That last one I heard was beep, beep, beep. Now, we're going to put them in here. Now the thing is, we just factory reset this, but remember, I was paired to this phone before, okay? So if I want to pair back to this phone, if I open it up, and I put these in the ear now, and you should hear the wake-up chime, like dun, dun, dun. And then I hear beep, 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 meaning it's in pairing mode, okay? But it's not going to show up down here, because remember, I was paired with this before. So what I have to do is click on the I here. On an iPhone is forget this device. Android is like unpair. TVs might be like delete. So now let me just turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on the rescan, and it's still in the pairing mode. And voila, there it is there, and I can tap on that and connect right back, okay?